Guys, how's it going? Another beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Here's the deal. But in 2008, I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer. Surgeon removed my thyroid, and immediately after, I had no energy left. I mean, it would take me 4 or 5 hours to cut my grass, which should have been taken 30, 40 minutes tops. I'd cut for 5 minutes, sit down for 10. Cut for 2, sit down for 15. So that's where I was. So I stopped gardening. About 3 months ago now, I stumbled onto a YouTube channel, and I do mean stumbled on because I'm not usually on the internet unless I have a question, and I go to Google, I Google my question, and I don't remember what I was looking for on that particular day, but I stumbled across a young lady by the name of Laura on Garden Answer. Her garden is amazing, and she inspired me to start gardening again. A quick little take here. I see a woodpecker right there. You see that woodpecker on the ground? A little interruption. I don't know if you guys can see him. He kind of blends in with the mulch, but he's right there just to the left of that tree trunk. Anyway, back to the story. So, needless to say, gardening wasn't a priority, but she inspired me to start gardening again. So I decided to have these beds built here, new beds. Sorry if I moved too fast. I'm still in the process of building this one right here. It's going to come on out here. I don't know if you can see the lines are there, but it's going to be a little bit bigger than that. Sorry, didn't mean to move too fast there again. But anyway, and I still have I can show you there where the woodpecker still is. That bed is empty, and there's a lot of old beds here that have nothing in them, so I've got a lot of gardening to do. But I didn't start these new beds to start a YouTube channel. I started them because Laura from Garden Answer, she and Aaron inspired me to start doing gardening again. So long story short, I've started gardening, started these beds. Now the guy that cuts my grass, because now I have it done, I still don't have a whole lot of energy, even 12 years later. I don't move near as energetically as I used to. But the guy that cut my grass, I had him help me make these beds. And he told me, to be honest with you, I thought you were crazy, but the plantings are starting to look pretty cool. And neighbors are constantly driving by or walking by, commenting anytime they see me out here. And several have said they walk by every day to see if anything new has been done. So there seems to be such an interest in what's going on that I thought, well, maybe I'll share it with everyone. So that's the story of this YouTube channel. Now, obviously, here it is in the fall. There's not going to be much left to do here for the winter, but I'll post a video here in the beginning, maybe every week or 2 or 3, and depending upon whether you guys are interested in following me on this journey or not, then we'll go from there, whether I do any more. And by the way, if any of you are watching this, I can't imagine somebody's watching this and then hasn't heard of Laura and Aaron on Garden Answer. But if you haven't, you need to check the young lady out because she knows what she's doing. Yeah, there's others out there. Jim put them with Hortu and Linda Vader, the Impatient Gardener. You know, there's tons of YouTube channels out. Well, I shouldn't say tons, but there's several out there. But I learned a lot from Laura and Aaron. So too bad they're not next door neighbors, so I could pick her brain with what plants to get and where to place them in these beds and make them look as amazing as her garden. But let me know if you guys are interested in following this progress, and we'll go from there. If you are interested, I'll post more. If not, then we'll kind of let this, and I'll just do my thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this a little bit. I know I just showed you this one place there, basically, but mainly because of that hydrangea right there. Hydrangea standard is just absolutely gorgeous. But I'll get, if you're interested in stuff, I'll do more videos and show what plants I have put in so far and what I have been doing. And we'll go from there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great day. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.